Hi team, welcome back to the continuation and a brand new start for a new project for a different type of keyword driven framework. Alright. So last project we saw how to develop a keyword driven framework using shared object repositories and being able to recreate some keywords that you can practice. But in this framework we're going to go a step ahead, and what we will do is we will create a very generic framework that you can apply on any application. So the way we're going to do this is, team, to identify, number one, what is it that we look at in applications when we work with, for example, let's take any application to begin with. Let's take probably yahoo.com or any website for that matter. So in this application, what you see, team, is you see different types of objects, correct? The whole idea about how we try and develop this is what are the typical activities that we perform on any web-based application, or the same process for any other different type of a non-web-based application also. So for example, a user can click on the links, a user can try and read the text out of it, a user can enter values into a drop down edit field, or click on buttons, or be able to select from a drop down list, and so on, correct? Those are the different types of activities that a user performs on various types of applications, right? So the intent, team, in this case is, can we create small reusable functions for each of these simple processes? For example, clicking on a button, clicking on a link, or entering text into an edit field, or selecting an item from a drop-down list, or selecting a checkbox, and so on, or links and so on. So what I'm saying is, let's first create different sets of keyword reusable functions, and we're going to call each of them keyword. Okay. Then what we will do is we'll write test cases with these keywords related to it. So in the order in which the steps have to be performed, we will write them, and we will have our driver script be able to read those test cases from an Excel, understand what to perform and how to do it. But what is important in this case is, if I want to click on a button, and if I want to click on any button, for example, not just one specific button on a given application, then I need to understand the properties that those objects will have in that application, and how does QTP recognize